I think that what really sets our master apart is its strong connection to practice and policy at the global level. From day one, the program is designed to bridge theory with real-world application. One key differentiator is, of course, our collaboration with the United Nations System Staff College, which ensures that the curriculum is directly aligned with the competencies the UN and other international organizations are looking for. Another distinctive feature is our faculty. The program brings together a truly international team of academics and seasoned practitioners, many of whom have held leadership roles in organizations like the UN, the World Bank, the ICRC, NGOs, and national governments. They don't just teach theory, they bring to the classroom the current challenges and solutions that are being implemented nowadays in the field. Students benefit from case-based learning, simulations, and hands-on projects that mirror the complexity of real-world development challenges.